In this video, you'll learn how to deposit and withdraw funds using the Bitget Wallet. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand the entire process from start to finish. Begin by navigating to Bitget Exchange website. Once you arrive at the homepage, you should see options for trading various cryptocurrencies. Make sure the site has fully loaded before proceeding. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the page. This action will open a menu containing several options related to your account settings. After that, select Settings from the drop-down menu. A new screen will appear, displaying various account settings and preferences. This is where you can adjust your account details. Once you have accessed the settings, click on Dashboard. This will take you to a page where you can view your account balance and recent transactions. It is essential to confirm that you are on the dashboard before moving forward. Next, find and click on the deposit button. This option is usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. After clicking, a new screen will load, prompting you to select a cryptocurrency for deposit. Now click on Select a Coin. A list of available cryptocurrencies will appear. Ensure you are connected to a stable internet connection, as this will help in loading the options. For this example, select USDT from the list. After making your selection, the interface will update to show you the deposit options specific to USDT. Then click on Choose a Network. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to select the desired blockchain network for your deposit. Make sure to select a network that is compatible with your deposit method. Next, select TRC20 Tron as your network option. This choice is crucial as it determines how your funds will be processed on the blockchain. After that, confirm your choice by clicking on TRC20. The interface will now display your unique deposit address for USDT on the TRC20 network. Now click on Deposit Address to copy your wallet address. Keep in mind that this address is essential for transferring funds into your Bitget wallet. Once you've copied the deposit address, navigate back to the dashboard. You will need to confirm that you are ready to initiate a withdrawal next. To withdraw funds, click on the Withdraw button on your dashboard. This will take you to the Withdraw screen where you can manage your withdrawals. Next, click on Select a Coin to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Make sure to verify your available balance before selecting. For this example, select USDT again. After selecting, the interface will refresh to show the withdrawal options available for USDT. Now click on Select Recipient. This action will prompt you to enter the withdrawal address for the recipient. Ensure that the address is correct to avoid any loss of funds. Next, choose between on-chain and internal transfer options. Depending on your withdrawal needs, selecting the correct option is vital for ensuring your funds are sent correctly. After that, confirm your selection by clicking on On-Chain. This will bring you to a screen where you can finalize the withdrawal process. Then, click on Select Network to choose the appropriate network for the withdrawal. This decision affects transaction speed and fees. Next, highlight your chosen network option from the list that appears. This step is crucial for ensuring the withdrawal is processed on the correct blockchain. After that, click on Morph to initiate the withdrawal process. This action will prepare your transaction for submission. Now, click on Withdrawal Address and paste the address you copied earlier. Be sure to double check for any errors before proceeding. Finally, type in the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you have sufficient funds to cover any fees associated with the transaction. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.